Hi, people. So, wait, hold on, damn it. Okay. Oh. So today I'm making a video, you know, about the egg thing that I just found out right now. I already got this egg, but you know, start with this. Let's go here. I only got like 3 of them. Robin eggs, blah blah blah. Okay, first of all, over here it was just like crazy, and well, you know, I'm just talking here, so shut up. So it was like crazy over here with the egg. In Aladdin, everybody was just like over here and they were like cursing at people. It's like, whoa, calm down. I was just going crazy. Everybody got that egg, but other than that, and I found out koalas are like leaving. Why did I do that? Hold on. Okay, anyways, so I just found out that koalas are leaving, and I was like, what? And, I don't know, I honestly don't know. And, so I bought one, you know. I know it's like I hate it right now. I'll probably make it better later, but, you know, it didn't really matter to me right now. And I honestly don't like koalas, but, you know, if it's... But, I don't know what he said. So, yeah, and I'm trying to find out eggs, so... Where's the stupid egg? Most likely if I don't find it. It's over here or something. I hate it when you have to, like, look for it. Like, why can't it just be where the entrance is? Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Thanks. Ooh, sea turtles. Cute. Okay. Is there one in Jama? I mean, I'm guessing that right now. But I, like, honestly don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, laddie, they see me. Look at Jama. I didn't say anything. I honestly think it's over here now. No, I was wrong. Yay! It's not ice anymore. Honestly. Be quiet. Who's talking to me? I was talking. Nobody's. Okay, so I honestly have no idea where the stupid egg is right now. Hold on, I'm making sure. Hold on. Yes, I found it. I had a chicken once. It died. It jumped over the fence. The dogs were there, so yeah. I'm gonna talk about it. Oh, up and down, up and down. After this, that's my last one. Oh my gosh, I swear. Let's say. Emu. What? Okie dokie then. Let's get all of that. Ow! Oh, I just like cracked my foot. Where's stupid air? I bet he's here. Here, I meant. Oh, that was close. Epic bunny dance. Doo -doo -doo -doo. Wait. No, this is my dance. Whoop. I don't know why I keep changing that. I swear. Find the stomach. Where is the stomach? Oh my gosh, I bet he's over here. Cause like, oh, I knew it. You see how stupid I am right now? King. Oh, it's a penguin. How come I knew it was a penguin? Oh, why does it keep doing that? There you go. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me there's some here. Hold on. Oh, please don't tell me there's some here. Oh, there's not? Okay, good. Cause like, I don't think it said I found them all. This is like awkward right now. I found them everywhere, yo. Where's my prize thingamajiggy? I get a prize, don't I? So, I found that paradise something. Wait, what? Click to learn the front. I found a. Wait, how many worlds is there? 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? What? Oh my gosh. I swear they make me keep looking crazy. Okay, I honestly have no idea where they are. Well, I found... How many did I find? I found like 2. No, like 6. Eggs. Honestly, oh, sorry about the thing. Wait, do you find them in each line? I bet you'll find like 2. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I swear I want a spike so bad, even know how bad I want one. Not that trade. Is there even eggs here? Like, how many eggs are there? Like, seriously? I want to be a real person. I really want to spike on like, so bad. What? You know what? I'll be right back. Actually, I'm going because, like, I freaking can't find A. And I'm honestly not gonna look for it. Honestly. So, bye. Wait, okay, bye.